Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025 to 2024 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class has been awarded the title of Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025, celebrated for its exceptional blend of performance, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. The latest SL-Class model continues to set the standard for high-end sports cars with its refined driving dynamics, luxurious amenities, and iconic design. Thrilling performance and dynamic handling. The 2024 SL-Class delivers exhilarating performance with its powerful engine options. The SL55 AMG features a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing 469 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque, enabling it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. For those seeking even greater performance, the SL63 AMG boasts a more potent version of the same engine, generating 577 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. This setup propels the SL63 AMG from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a remarkable 3.5 seconds. Both models are equipped with a 9-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes-Benz 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, ensuring smooth gear changes and enhanced traction. The SL-Class features an adaptive air suspension system that balances sportiness and comfort, providing exceptional handling and stability on various road surfaces. Elegant design and luxurious interior. The 2024 SL-Class is renowned for its striking design, combining classic roadster aesthetics with modern sophistication. Its sleek profile, aggressive front grille, and retractable soft-top roof highlight its sporty character while offering the option for open-air driving. Inside, the SL-Class boasts a meticulously crafted cabin featuring high-quality materials such as leather, wood, and metal accents. The driver-oriented cockpit includes a high-resolution 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an 11.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Mercedes-Benz MBUX interface. The SL-Class's seats are both supportive and comfortable, designed to provide a luxurious driving experience. Advanced technology and safety features. The 2024 SL-Class comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety and driver assistance technologies. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, enhancing safety while maintaining the car's performance-focused character. Conclusion. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class's exceptional performance, elegant design, and luxurious features have earned it the title of Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025. With its powerful engines, refined interior, and state-of-the-art technology, the SL-Class remains a top choice for drivers seeking a sports car that delivers both excitement and sophistication.